Alright, so today we are going to be drinking a whole bottle of Butt Jalokia Ghost Pepper Hot Sauce. So I'm going to break the seal. Nope. No reaction. Honestly, not that spicy.